All right, Aditya, KubeCon is just around the corner. We go from KubeCon to KubeCon looking at different trends, whether it's platform engineering, AI. What are the things that are top of mind for you?
Yeah. Hey, first part, thanks for having me. Really nice to meet you. This is my third KubeCon, so like super excited to be there in Amsterdam in a couple of weeks. Yeah, I think exactly right. Like couple of trends. Like I was reading the CNCF of annual survey the other day, and it was something started around like more than 80% users have like standardized on Kubernetes in production, and almost a third of those are running like next gen and cutting edge AI ML models and workloads on Kubernetes as well, right? So these are like two key themes that we're seeing here at AWS, where Kubernetes is the standard today. Customers running every single workload type you can imagine, microservices, data processing, as well as being built for tomorrow, where it's like we're kind of sensing it as the operating system for these new gen AI ML workloads. So that's what we're seeing. And on that trend, the conversation in the market's also shifting from, hey, should we even run Kubernetes, to now we're already running Kubernetes. How do we make our lives easier and not make this a full-time job, right? And that's the thread that we want to pull at KubeCon, to where we really showcase our innovation to make our customers use Kubernetes in a much more cost-effective and easy manner.
But before everything gets started, you're also going to be running some day zero workshops. Tell me more about those.
Yeah, so these are a really great opportunity to get hands-on with Amazon EKS and really learn how to build Kubernetes applications. So we're doing two day zero workshops, about 10 minutes from the main venue at RAI. It's free to attend. You don't need a KubeCon pass per se. And the one that we're running in the morning is how to accelerate platform engineering on Kubernetes, and the one in the afternoon is on all around building and scaling inference workloads on Kubernetes as well. So all the details are in the landing page. Encourage folks to register, and yeah, we look forward to seeing you.
Fantastic. And in terms of stuff that's going to be going on, on the ground, what are the standout talks that people should keep in mind that are going to be given by folks from AWS?
I think in terms of talks, I would really encourage folks to check out our keynote. Can't remember the details at the top of my head, but believe that's on the morning of the second day. It's all about this the same thread that I was talking about. Like, how can we make Kubernetes less complex and finally invisible, that it's so that it's baked into the stack. People don't need to be Kubernetes expert, but still, derive all the benefits that it provides. So that's our keynote. And then we also have a really cool 20-minute platform engineering demo that we're showing at the solutions showcase. So we're just going to showcase how easy it is with our latest innovations around Amazon EKS capabilities to really simplify continuous deployments and Kubernetes resource management, so that it's very, very easy to build and scale. So I'd encourage folks to check that out in terms of talks.
Great. You're, booth number 700, pretty easy to find in terms of, logo and branding. But for folks that go to the booth, is there anything they should expect in terms of swag or prizes that you'll be giving away?
Yeah, so we do have a bunch of exciting swag and prizes like we always do. But we also have a lot of other fun stuff going on at the booth. We're doing the booth slightly different this time, where we're having like a mini theater, where we're through the 3 days we're running about 20 to 25 of these lightning talks or quick sessions that our AWS SMEs are conducting. It's going to have hands-on demos, on some really, really cool topics like running Kubernetes on a Raspberry Pi with the hybrid nodes, and kind of some of our integrations with NVIDIA's and GPUs, accelerators, and all of that cool stuff. So I'd encourage folks to check that out. And we also have our four demo booths, like some of these topics that I talked about. Like, we have a booth for AI, for how do you simplify day two operations, how do you get started really quickly. So that's the place where I'd encourage folks, regardless of your skill level, to show up there, connect with our SMEs, ask your hardest questions. And then, without giving too much away, we also have something called a sketch lab this time. That's like this really cool AI powered activation, where you could just come and draw stuff, and on the back end we have like an image generator that'll create this pretty cool, neat sticker that you can use. Won't spoil too much about the swag. Just come and check it out. Booth 700 is where we're at, and we're really excited to meet you all.
Likewise, we'll be hanging out with you guys too at booth 700. So looking forward to being there with the AWS folks. Best of luck with all the preparations. We'll see you very soon in Amsterdam. Take care.
Thank you very much.